Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, boys and girls of the internet. My dear friend and Alpha Creed Stephen has asked me to appear in one of his YouTube videos to welcome you all to Christmas. Now I know most of you have been very good this year, and some of you have not, but there is still time to redeem yourself. For that, I shall pass you over to my dear friend Stephen in the studio.
Gurf agat Santa. Dig with YouTube. Constatatu agus Nollag shona ditch. So yes, it's almost that time of year again. The magical gift-giving season that has turned into a mass commercial enterprise. And I have to say, I really hated shopping for Christmas this year. I don't know what it was. Maybe I just left it too late. I only started shopping last week. But it's all done. So, I don't know. Maybe it's just the fact that we go a little bit nuts this year. Now, a recent study in the Sunday Times, I believe, said that most people aren't going to be spending as much on Christmas this year due to harsher economic climate and less money in our pockets, and I can certainly agree with that, and it's certainly going to be the case for me. So I'm getting things that mean more rather than just random stuff. I like to find a mixture of both. It should be random stuff that people will find useful. That's what it should be about. But more so than anything else, I think that this Christmas, and certainly the last Christmas or two, have really been about just being with my family. Going out and enjoying myself with my friends, and just taking care of myself and people around me. So that's what I think Christmas should be. Not this whole mad dash to get the Xbox One or the PS4 or the new car. If you're going to get something for somebody, make sure it means something. It shouldn't be just giving for the sake of giving and getting because you want some. So whatever you're doing for your Christmas this year, make sure you're with people that you love, people that love you, and that you have fun. Enjoy yourself. If there's one time of the year where you can go a little bit nuts and overindulge, it's Christmas. So, go for it. Why not? Gur míle maith on YouTube, Nollag shona ditch agus slán go fóill. Back to you, Santa.
Now remember, kids, there's still time to get on to the naughty list and time to get on to the nice list. So be good for goodness sake. And if you could see your way to a nice hot chocolate and some cake for myself and a small carrot for Rudolph. He's on a diet this year. Thank you very much. And as my friend Stephen would say, raibh míle maith agus slán go fóill agus Nollag shona ditch.
The jumper, I shouldn't say anything about jumpers. I did spend 50 quid on a jumper last year.